Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a review slash tutorial demonstration on a Derma Roller. The one that I bought is just the basic one. It's a 0.25 millimeter, which all it's really good for, the one that I bought, is product absorption. I need to upgrade to the 0.5 millimeter in order to do what I want done, which is I have acne scarring and I want it to be gone. The 0.5 also works great for sun damage, acne scars, fine lines, things like that, whereas the 0.25 is just great for product absorption. This one you can use every other day. It doesn't cause bleeding, it doesn't really hurt. Starter, I would say. Whereas the 0.5 you can't use as often, but it has more benefits. This one again is just for product absorption. So if you have a favorite skincare product that you love using and you want it to get its full benefit, then this would be a great Derma Roller to use. So I bought this at Target. It was a little over $10 including tax. The needles are very fine. This is a 0.25, like I said. It comes in this nice little plastic carrying case. Before using this and after using this, you have to make sure you sanitize it. So what I do is take a paper towel, I put some rubbing alcohol on it and just rub it. And then let it dry before I put it back into the case. Also, you want to make sure your face is completely dry before you begin this process. You can put product on before using the Derma Roller, but you don't have to. I know with some of them they say to, but this one you don't have to do that. So let's go ahead and start. So I've been doing this every other day. That's what they recommend doing. The first time that I did this, it made my eyes water really bad on my forehead, but I'll just show you exactly what you need to do. It's super easy. So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna start in the middle of my eyebrows. And you wanna do even pressure. You don't wanna do it super hard. You don't want it to be too light, but you wanna go up and down 5 to 10 times. So that was, I think, 4, 5. See how red it is already? On the forehead is the most sensitive part for me. Last time I did this, my eyes began to water really bad, but we're gonna do that on the entire forehead and just follow that line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, my eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and do 2, 3, 4, 5. The forehead is the worst. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It feels like, obviously it's little tiny needles, but it feels like a cat is just like scratching me, or pinpricks. Oh man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to make sure that you get even pressure. Oh, me on my eyes. You want to make sure you apply even pressure throughout and also do the same amount of times. I like to split my face down the middle, so start with my forehead obviously and then go down and split this in half, so one side, and then after you do this way, we're gonna go ahead and go this way. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't take too long to do the whole process. It's just on the forehead, it's really sensitive. And oh man, so you want to go vertically, horizontally, and diagonally. But we're one. So this redness will go away in about 24 hours, actually less than 24 hours depending on your skin type. Now the 0.25 doesn't cause bleeding. It shouldn't. You shouldn't be pushing hard enough for your skin to bleed. But the higher you go up in needle size, it will cause bleeding. It can be painful. But the benefits are greater. This one again is just for product absorption. So I'm just gonna speed through this process really fast and then show you what the outcome is. Okay, so as you can see, my face is really red. Let's zoom in here. We'll get all up close and personal. So you can see my face is really red. These are the acne scars that I was talking about. I really want them to be gone. I'm gonna have to get the larger size needles to take these away. But you can see my skin is really red. The redness does go away, and it goes away pretty quickly depending on your skin type. For me, I don't have sensitive skin, thankfully. So the redness will clear up quick. What I have read about is after using a Derma Roller, they don't recommend putting any vitamin C or any retinols on your skin right after you've used it. I don't know. That's kind of up to you, I guess. You should do your research before listening to me on that topic. But what I read was it can cause inflammation or have a reaction. So it probably depends on your skin type. My husband actually used the Derma Roller and then right after put retinol on his face and was fine. So maybe it just depends on your skin. So use your best judgment as always. For me, after I use the Derma Roller, I like to just put pure coconut oil on my face all over. I love coconut oil. I live and breathe by coconut oil. So, and coconut oil is great for hydration. It's great for hydration. It's great to be used as an anti-inflammatory. It's also antibacterial. It just has so many awesome benefits. I also, when I use the Derma Roller on Mondays, because I start out my week with it, I do it every other day. So on Mondays, I'll follow it up with a face mask, do an eye mask, get all of my beauty things in every week. But this is just pure coconut oil. Put it all over my face. Oh, it feels so good. So after using the Derma Roller, my face is hot. It kind of burns a little bit. It almost feels chapped. So the coconut oil for me really helps with that. And since we just used this Derma Roller, our skin now is prepped and ready to take on full absorption of the product. So if there's any kind of product that you love to use, then I highly recommend you use that. For me, I just like to use the coconut oil. And then I'm gonna go in under my eyes with the No More Baggage Needles No More by Dr. Bronnet. This is just an orange under eye cream that helps in depuffing under your eyes, taking away the dark circles. I think it also helps with fine lines, but I'm not really sure on that. I just know that it's an orange hue and it helps for under eye bags and dark circles. Also, you can use the Derma Roller on your lips. You have to be careful with that, but it promotes plumpness in the lips. So I did that for the first time today and they kind of feel super dry. So we'll see how that works. Okay, awesome. So after using the Derma Roller, make sure you clean it, because if you, I can only imagine what type of bacteria you would be just rolling around on your face, and that could cause some severe breakouts, especially if you already have some pimples. Like that's just a festering mess of bacteria. So make sure you clean it. Like I said before, use just a paper towel with some alcohol, roll it around in there. That's what I do before and after I use it. So you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I am going to now wait for this redness to vanish, but hopefully my face will be extra hydrated now that I use my Derma Roller and my coconut oil. Look forward to a video on the 0.5 Derma Roller. That's one that I really want so that I can get rid of these acne scars that are not my favorite thing. But you know, it's life and you gotta love yourself regardless of the acne scars. It has been a pleasure doing this video for you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see some new videos that I will be posting, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye!